What is up, people? Good morning. It is about 7:30 in the morning, and we are going back to White Clay. We're going to do a fun little trail today. Gravel into some single track, into a couple areas that are a little sketchy, but should be super fun. And once again, of course, we can't do it without the general. Thank you. Ready to go. On our way to the other side of Brian's Field Trail, we take this little uphill paved path, which is nice, helps you get some loops in. It's going to dump you into some gravel and then some single track and some fun spots. So good morning, everybody. And here comes our turn up here. A fun little trail coming up. Definitely a fun little trail. Ooh, look at that. You dump into there. Nice. Into the woods we go. A little section. Oh. Rider. Woo! Rider. Rider. Gotta call it, dude. Nice. Good times. Back into the field. Rider. Woo. Woo. Ryder. Climbing back. Yeah. That's it. Fun. Let's see what's down here. Huh. David English, huh? Oh, brakes. Ryder? Am I going the opposite way than I should? I think so. All right. Huh. What is that? There's all sorts of connectors. What is this? All right. David English Trailhead. David English Trail. All right, so what I think everybody's doing is when you get on that gravel path, you could dip to the left, and I think that's David English Trail. And then I think people are coming back either here, which is, I guess, the trailhead's up there. This might be a connector. And then this over here might be through, you know, the full way around. Yeah. I mean, you can't really tell on camera, but it's looking pretty good. So yeah, David English Trail. You got the trailhead, which is up there to the right, and it's good for hikers and bikers. So we're gonna head back, get the general, and I might dip into that trail and come back out this way. All right, let's go. Ryder. Guys, thank you very much. All right, enjoy. You too, good morning. All right, here we go. That's you. We meet again. What's up, man? Ryder? See, we're just chilling. Nice little fun pace. Practicing, controlling the bike, staying back, tack position.
Ryder. Ryder. Thank you. Hi, buddy. Nice Roscoe. Yeah. All right, we're gonna call it a day right here. Super fun. I got a lot of stuff to do with the house still. Still trying to get better. Thanks for joining me on this one. It's nice to see so many people out. Remember, if you're riding down a hill, you know, there's a blind corner, just call out Ryder. This way it lets everybody know somebody's coming, right? Just trail etiquette. Always, you know, give hikers the right of way, horses, right? If you're coming on a downhill, someone's coming up, they technically have right of way. So thanks for joining me on this one. Wasn't my best today, but it was fun, right? A day riding is better than a bad day working. You know what I mean? So anyway, thanks for joining me, and watch the next one. I really appreciate it. Subscribe if you haven't. Really helps me out, and enjoy the ride.